Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So to do it, go to the settings, then go to connections, mobile hotspot and tethering, enable mobile hotspot, or before I enable it, I'm gonna click on the text here, then I'm gonna set it up so you can change the network name. I'm gonna change it to something. Then password can be also set, it has to be at least 8 characters. Then you can change the compatibility to 2.4 GHz, both 5 GHz or 6 GHz. So I'm gonna set it to like 2.4 because it's the most compatible, but the higher value will have higher performance. Then you can change the security type. I'm gonna leave it on this. You can also go to advanced and change like everything here, but it's probably too complicated for me and I don't really understand this thing, so I'm gonna click on save. Now you can also set a one-time password, but I'm gonna disable it. Auto hotspot, so if you have any other device logged into your account, like your laptop or tablet, it'll automatically connect to the hotspot. And now I'm gonna enable it. Then as I go into my phone, I can also scan the QR code, so I'm just gonna scan it, but you can also just go to the standard Wi-Fi settings and find the network there. I'm gonna scan it on my phone, then I'm gonna join the network, and let's see if I'm connected already. Yes, I am connected to that network right now, so this is how it works. And then it'll show me my device that it's connected, and as I disable it, I'll get disconnected, as you can see here. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.